being able to draw anything from scratch. This sounds impossible for you, like it's only feasible for experienced artists. No, I have a really simple method for you to enhance your drawing skills quickly and effectively. Let me show you. My name is Barbara Baumann and I'm an award-winning illustrator and drawing tutor from Austria. And I enjoy a lot sharing my drawing methods in order to bring creativity in my students' lives. In my free drawing guide, I'm showing you my best proven method how to draw anything from scratch, so that you too will be able to make stunning drawings in your sketchbook. You can draw anything with this method. So give it a try and feel the amazing impact of creativity in your life. Click on the link to instantly find my free drawing guide in your inbox and enjoy these moments of drawing.